Welcome guys, I'm back again with your trading tutorials, but this one is with a bit of a difference. We're going to be showing you how to use strategies and technical indicators. And for our personal experiences, I can't trade without indicators. They help me decide what my brain cannot. With my technical and my fundamental analysis together, helps me decide and makes me feel confident about my trades. But the first thing you're going to do is go into your indicators, select Bollinger Bands and RSI indicator. Put them on together in whatever colours that you see fit. This can usually be used on most brokers. It's a very common tool that most traders use very much daily. Here you can see an upward trend, and the line underneath is called a resistance line because it's resisting the price, as you can see. And below here we have a downward trend, and this is called a resistance line also, because it's going down, which means that line there is resisting the price. And this is where you put your option in the down way. These strategies are for forex and binary options. Choose 1 minute to 2 minute time change of your trades and of your candlesticks so that you can see the correct charts and times for your trades. I see many people making these mistakes and they are easily done. Here's a list of all the calls and stuff. I'm doing all the different currency pairs. As you can see, there is a lot of them and a high percentage rating. Here you can see my indicators I use. Here you can see it will say when the line is above the 80, the market is overbought, and when it is below the lower line in the red, the market is undersold. And this is what gives you an indication of where the market is going. As you can see here, there is a jump in the candlestick, so I'm going to put it going down, and my indicators are showing the market is overbought, as you can see on the bottom top green line. So I'm going to put down, and if the candlestick drops, we'll see if I make a profit. But I'll set my time to about 1 minute, 2 minutes. We'll see how it goes. Wish me luck, guys. But strategies can differ in the currency pairs you are trading within the analysis. But always be careful, guys, because forex and binary and digital options and cryptocurrencies, you can lose your money within seconds. And my indicators are giving me an expected profit of $81, but this is not guaranteed. This is literally a computer technical analysis of my indicator bots, as it's not good to 100% rely on them, but I do recommend that they assist you in your trades and in your decision taking on where you put your money and when you do it, because it is all vital to creating profit. It's going down, it's falling. I'm in a $12 profit approximately at the moment. My indicators are showing me it will still fall. Candlestick is continuing to fall. It's risen up again. This is what the charts will do a lot of the time. They will rise up and down as the chart is falling. In digital options, I have a purchase time when it will be purchased and then sold on. But within forex and cryptocurrencies, as you know, you are not timed. You can close your positions at any time. It's been purchased, and now the expiration time for the sale is going to happen. I could have sold any time beforehand in digital options, but I've decided to wait. Hopefully I get my profit. Let's see if we get it. Got about 15 seconds left. Here's a little overview of the chart, guys, so you can see up and down. It's literally you can look back and try and predict what the future is going to be using the indicators, and the lines help you predict where the charts possibly could go. And I got a profit of $81, so not bad, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Please watch, like and subscribe.